at Mukamar. I started my journey over there as a fellow, and I am currently working there as a product associate. Mukamar works with adolescent girls specifically. We try to build agency through the medium of empowerment self-defense, and empowerment self-defense is totally different from our traditional self-defense, like physical defense as well as like different like how we can defend ourselves verbally, mentally, and like how to look confident, how to be assertive. We currently work on offline and online both. Offline is good because we can like working offline is best because we can see a direct impact in girls. We can see them growing day by day. We can see changes in them. But the point is कि we follow a fellowship model where we recruit fellows from like different sports background. It may be like from martial arts sports background or like different sports background. We recruit them, we train them, and then we place them in our partnered schools, and it's a 3-year long program. But we wanted to like capture the sea, not just the pool, and it was only possible with the medium of like digitalization, that is online. Because if we get like, it's not at all possible for us to recruit so much fellow, train them and place them in remote areas and reach each and every adolescent. It was like very difficult. So we wanted to do like we shift to digitalization through Glyphic. Currently like 33,000 girls we are engaging with. अगर यही सेम सारी चीज़ों का ऐप बनाते तो बच्चों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता, बट ग्लिफिक के थ्रू व्हाट्सएप पे बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा ईजी हुआ बिकॉज दे वर फ्रेंडली विद व्हाट्सएप. एंड आई एम नॉट अ टेकी, लाइक आई हैव ज़ीरो आइडिया अबाउट टेक. अगर मेरे को 5 साल पहले आप मिलते, आई होल्ड अ डिग्री इन मास मीडिया कम्युनिकेशन, मैंने सपना भी नहीं देखा था कि मैं ऐसा सब कुछ करूँगी. सो ग्लिफिक मेड इट वेरी ईजी फॉर मी. Our chatbot looks like it's a gamification bot. There are 10 levels. Each level has 2 rounds, physical and non-physical. Physical round we call it as burn round, and non-physical we call it as learn round. So user go through like 20 rounds and then complete the flow. For that currently we are using like normal our flow feature where we design our thing. We are using interactive messages. Every message in our bot is an interactive messages. We use buttons for it. We are using HSM templates to like nudge them and like retain them if they are getting stuck or like they are not doing the flow. We are using APIs, different APIs, webhook call for like calculating their point. As said, it's a gamified feature. So to calculate points and like to give them recharge, and like if they want to do redemption, we are using. ऐसे तो बहुत सारी कहानियाँ हैं, बट लाइक वन गर्ल हु स्टक माई माइंड बिकॉज बहुत रिसेंटली मेरी उससे बात हुई. बेसिकली she used all the flow and she was very happy to know Mukki. So basically Mukki is our mascot, who she is the face of our online flow. She talks with girls, she give them like daily activities and asks them. So Mukki is an exact reflection of how our Mukamar girl should look like. So she was so inspired by Mukki. She is like, उसने मेरे को जो सिखाया मैंने इतने अच्छे से सीखा है. एंड मैं अपने बाकी दोस्तों से दोस्ती रखना नहीं चाहती क्योंकि वो लोग हमेशा इधर उधर की बातें गॉसिपिंग करती है, बट मुक्की हमेशा मेरे से बात करती है तो मुझे कुछ नया सिखाती है. और मुक्की ने मुझे पंच मारना सिखाया था. एक अंकल मुझे परेशान करा था, मैंने उसको मारा है पंच. इट वॉज वेरी लाइक इंस्पायरिंग फॉर मी एज वेल, फॉर अ गर्ल to get a role model who is teaching her something and making her confident. Honestly speaking, I don't know if it will be possible or not. I want to reach out to each and every like adolescent girl in India. There are around 3 million girls in India and I want to reach them. So my plan with Glyphic is for long. I am not looking it for a short duration. I want to reach them, honestly speaking, because as I said, I started my journey as a fellow at Mukamar. So I I have been there with them. I am sensitized with their experiences, and being a girl myself, I know how important it is to like just move out and know who really I am, and like accepting myself and like टेलिंग माई सेल्फ कि नहीं यार बॉस, मैं जो लोगों ने बनाया उससे हट के भी मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर सकती हूँ, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मुझे उसी पे स्टिक करना है. एंड ऑल्सो आई फील इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आई एम एन इंटरनेशनल MMA फाइटर, सो लर्निंग फाइट, लाइक आफ्टर लर्निंग फाइट माई लाइफ गॉट चेंज. मेरे अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया. आई नो कि अब मुझे किसी से नहीं डरना है, अब मैं किसी से नहीं डर सकती. एक फाइट सीखने से मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ. सो आई वांटेड कि सारी लड़कियों को एटलीस्ट लाइक प्रोफेशनल फाइटर बनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट नोइंग फाइट might make them confident and they can do what they want, like other than being in a bubble, or they can just move out and achieve what they want. And I am very glad to like meet Glyphic team as well, because they are very supportive. I still remember each and every phase, like they were go to person for me, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ नहीं आता था और हमारे टीम मेंबर में हम बस 2 लोग थे, and we were struggling, and both were like, she was from finance, I was from like mass media and communication, and we don't have any knowledge, but team supported us, and like Glyphic made everything easy. They are very helpful in nature, and I feel they are go-to person. Ki if I am stuck in somewhere, I like go on Discord. It's easy for us also to connect to them, and like they are very open with everything, and I feel they are very transparent as well in this case. So it's make us our life as well easier, and ऐसा नहीं लगता कि मैं अकेले काम कर रही हूँ. I have a team. It feels like a team. Now India is also growing and digitalization is at peak. People are like, अगर 24 घंटे में से एक इंसान 12 घंटे और 6 घंटे अपने फ़ोन के साथ है, तो we should leverage that. And honestly speaking, people are very like friendly with WhatsApp, and Glyphic is making everything easier for us, क्योंकि कोडिंग ये सब की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Easily you can draw a flow and like reach out to them. So leveraging what is like in the air is वेरी गुड, कि जो उनके क्विकली उनके पास है, तो उसको लेवरेज करके इफ दे कैन वर्क ऑनलाइन इज बेटर, सो दैट दे कैन ऑल्सो रीच आउट टू एज मैनी पीपल एज दे कैन. एंड लाइक इट्स बजट फ्रेंडली. ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, वर्किंग ऑन ग्राउंड इज गुड, बट हाँ उसमें बजट के इशू होते हैं. एंड थोड़ा लाइक ईजी भी हो जाता है टू बी इन टच. ऐसा नहीं है कि पर्सनल टच पूरा मिट जाता है, बिकॉज मेरा भी माई बिगेस्ट हेजिटेंट on working online was कि personal touch miss हो जाएगा. But today I am standing at a place where everybody, like every girl who is using Mukki knows who is Mukki, and she feels she is a best friend, and some girls think I am Mukki, but वो personal touch, वो personal space वो maintain है. तो I will like motivate them to like go and use Glyphic.